Cosmic awakening. Witnessing a supermassive black hole come to life. In the vast expanse of our universe, a remarkable event has unfolded. What they observed was extraordinary. A sudden, dramatic increase in the galaxy's brightness. At first, scientists thought they were looking at a normal active galactic nucleus. But as they dug deeper into 2 decades of archival data, they realized they were witnessing something unprecedented. To understand the significance of this discovery, we need to explore what an AGN is. Active galactic nuclei occur when supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies consume enormous amounts of material, becoming bright enough to be seen across vast cosmic distances. Paula Sanchez-Saiz, an astrophysicist at the European Southern Observatory, and her team realized they were observing the formation of an AGN in real time, a first in astronomical history. While the exact cause is still unclear, one possibility is that black hole is consuming a smaller satellite galaxy. This event provides a unique opportunity to study how supermassive black holes wake up and become active. Scientists hope to conduct follow-up observations using advanced telescopes like NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and the Future Extremely Large Telescope. These observations could reveal how gas moves around the black hole, helping to explain this cosmic awakening. As we continue witnessing cosmic history in the making, this unprecedented event is shedding new light on the life cycles of galaxies and the powerful forces that shape our universe.